maxima and local minima if any of the following function. Also find local maximum and local minimum value of x. F of x is equal to x square. First question. So derivative with respect to x, f dash of x is 2x, f double dash is 2, which is greater than 0. Greater than 0 is means minimum value. Okay, so 2 is a minimum value, but we have to check at critical point. Critical point, if you equate it to f dash of x is equal to 0, so 2x is equal to 0, so x is equal to 0, is it? So f of 0 you have to find. F of 0 is 0. Okay, so local minimum value is 0. Clear? In gx is equal to x cube minus 3x. The derivative with respect to x, g dash of x is 3x square minus 3. For critical point, g dash of x is equal to 0, then x is plus minus 1. So double dash of gx, you can say g double dash of x. G double dash of x is 6x. Okay, so critical point, if you substitute, then only you will get whether greater or less. So if you say critical point plus minus 1, so you substitute at x is equal to 1, which is greater than 0, 6. You get the value 6. So which is greater than 0, so x1 is a local minimum point. So f of 1 is minus 2 you got. So f of 1 value of minimum value is minus 2. Now let us check that f double dash. Substitute minus 1. We will get minus 6, which is less than 0. So x is equal to minus 1 is a local maximum point. So f of minus 1 is equal to 0. So 0 is a local maximum value. The third one, h of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. Is it? 0 less than x less than pi by 2. Derivative with respect to x. So h dash of x is cos x plus cos x, here minus sin x. For critical point, equate it to 0. So you will get 10, 1. Is it? Here the range is given 0 to pi by 2, means it is a first quadrant. In first quadrant, 10 value, 10, 1 is pi by 4. So we can take x is equal to pi by 4, because given range is 0 to pi by 2, that is the first quadrant. 10 is pi by 4, 10 value is pi by 4, is it? Okay, so x is equal to pi by 4. Now f double dash of x, is it? F double dash of x. So minus sin x minus cos x. Substitute the value, you will get minus root 2, which is less than 0. Less than 0 means what? It has a maxima point. At what? Pi by 4. Okay, is it? So pi by 4 is local maximum point. For finding maximum value, you have to substitute in f, is it? Or h here in this case. You say h. Okay, h. You have to substitute h here. H pi by 4. So sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. 1 by root 2. So it is root 2. So local maximum value is root 2. X is equal to sin minus cos x, but the range is changed here. The range is from 0x less than pi by 2. So it is 0 to pi or 2 pi. It comes here. One round pi, and if a second round complete, then it is become 2 pi. Is it? So we have to check at pi and 2 pi both. So derivative f dash of x is cos x plus sin x. Critical point is equal to 0. So 10 is equal to, okay. So what we will get? Tan theta is equal to minus 1. Where is tan theta minus 1? Tan theta is negative at 3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. Or if you don't know, you can say that 1 is tan 1 is what? Where? At pi by 4. Is it? Value of tan 1 is 10 pi by 4. Is it? 10 pi by 4. But it is minus. So minus 1. Minus 1 means you can take it as pi minus pi by 4 and also pi and 2 pi. So we have to take two value, pi and 2 pi. So we can also do like this. If you know directly, you can do it directly that tan theta is negative at 3 pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4. Is it? Okay, but we have to check at 2 point. Why? Where? Because the range is 0 less than x less than pi by 2. So we have to check the value between 0 to pi and 0 to 2 pi. Got it? So 10, you can take 10x is equal to 10. Either you can take pi minus pi by 4. Second time 2 pi minus pi by 4. So 10x is equal to 10 pi minus pi by 4 is 3 by 4, and 10 2 pi minus pi by 4 is 7 pi by 4. So value of x is 3 pi by 4 and x is equal to 7 pi by 4. Is it? Okay, so check it. This is a critical point you got. So now at x is equal to 3 by 4, double dash of x you find. Is it? Double dash of x is minus sin x plus cos x. Substitute x is equal to 3 by 4. If you substitute x is equal to 3 by 4, you will get a value minus root 2, which is less than 0. So local maximum point is minus root 2, and local maximum value is f 3 by 4. Substitute. Got it? Is it? You can say it is f 3 by 4. What we get? Pi by 4, pi by 4. It is why I have substituted pi by 4. 3 pi by 4, how we can get? Is it? Okay, split this. Okay, 3 pi by 4. Pi plus pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4. Is it? You can say 3 pi by 4 can be written as pi minus pi by 4. So what it get? 4, 3 pi by 4. So pi minus, sign is positive, cos is negative. Got it? So negative become negative. Here you can write also, if you don't know, you can write this sine 3 by 4. In place of 3 by 4 you can write pi minus pi by 4. Is it? Minus cos pi minus pi by 4. So if you solve it, what you will get? Sine pi minus pi by 4. Sine is positive in the second coordinate, so sine pi by 4. Cos is negative, so it will become positive, so cos pi by 4. Got it? Okay, then you will get a value root 2. So local maximum value is root 2. At x is equal to what? 7 pi by 4. If you substitute, you will get root 2, which is greater than 0. So local minimum value is root 2. To find out the minimum value, how will get? 2 pi minus pi by 4. Is it? 2 pi minus pi. Sign is where? Is it? Sign is negative. Okay, 2 pi minus pi by 4. Is it? 1, 2, this. Okay, here you say. Okay, second time 2 pi. So pi by 4. It is in third quadrant. Sign is negative. Is it? Cos is positive. Pi minus pi by 4. Okay, it gives you sine 2 pi. Sine 2 pi is in third quadrant. 2 pi minus means it's in third quadrant. Sine is negative. And cos is positive. So it remains negative. Got it? Okay. Again, 2 pi minus pi by 4. It is in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Third quadrant, sign is negative, negative, and cos is positive. So if you cos it positive, so it will remain negative only this. Okay. Now you substitute and get the value, you will get minus root 2. So local minimum value is minus root 2. F of x is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 6 plus 9x plus 15. Derivative with respect to f dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 12 plus 9. For a critical point, f dash of x is equal to 0. So you will get the value. Okay. Is it? You will get the value here is equal to 0. So x minus 1, x minus 3 is equal to 0. Is it? So f dash of x is equal to 0. Then it will be, where it will be, f dash of x will be equal to 0 at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 1 and 3 for the minimum and for maxima and minimum. Is it? Now you substitute. Take f dash. Is it? Check at x is equal to 1. What is the value? minus 6 less than 0. Is it? If you substitute using f dash of x, the critical point, you will get minimum and a maximum value. If you substitute x is equal to 1, which you got a critical point, you got f double dash is equal to minus 6, which is less than 0. So 1 is a point of local maxima. For finding a local maxima, f of 1, if you substitute, you will get a 19. And at x is equal to 3, f double dash at x is equal to 3, you will get 6, which is greater than 0. So x is equal to 3 is a point of local minima. If you substitute f of 3, you get 15.